Okay, so first thing to do is write down the hops. So 1440.8. Okay, spot track low 3 greens. We have the 3 greens over here. 1, 2, 3. Just gonna get there. Baggage and cruise articles. So everything is secure. Harness is indoors. It's all secure. It's closed. Doesn't push open yet. Cockpit check. So there's no object on the dash. Nothing flying around on the floor. Keys in there. The avionics and electrics. Everything's off. And circuit breakers. Check if it's all in. Nothing popped out. Flight control. We have grip, so watch yourself. I'm just gonna end up on this one. Watch yourself. Okay, left aileron is up, right aileron is down. Pull it, elevator, look at the back, elevator goes up, and then look at the aileron. Left goes down, right goes up, and elevator goes down. And check the rudder is moving, good. And then trim, so full travel. So, switch this. If you look at the trim tab on the right side, it's going to be moving. And then, like you see, look at here, just go all the way down. So nothing's getting stuck. It's not stopping anywhere, it's working properly. Then go all the way down to the side. It's all good. Okay. Then we just put it back on takeoff. Okay, so fuel selector. Oh, sorry, this one's 173 checklist. It's gotta be the same. Fuel selector is on. Over here, the red tab you see. On. Mixture. Mix. Party. This is off. It's pushed in. Throttle set half inch. So maybe about like this. And primer. Yeah. So nobody flown this aircraft today. Do you hear that sound?
Yeah.
So when I pull it, listen.
Yeah.
It's sucking it in. So it's like a cigarette you have to wait. It's not on. Brakes, test and set. So building some pressure. Keep it on. The master switch on. Nav lights, not required for day flight. Beacon light, keep it on. And look outside, check. Clear prop! Check again if anybody's around. Okay. Now, magneto's on, so have your hand on the throttle. So, oil pressure is green, good. Alternator is charging. And throttle is 1000 RPM. Okay, so start checklist complete.
Okay.
Post-start checklist. Mixture ground lean. We just lean it. So if you turn it to the left, you know this, right? Turn it to the left, it leans. Then just checking here. Goes up a little bit, so we'll keep it there.
Okay.
Magneto's dead mag check. So we're gonna turn it to the right. Okay, it's still running. It drops, but it's still running, right?
Yeah.
Back to both. Left. Still running.
Yes.
So we check that there's no dead mag. It's both working. Flaps, visually check and retract in stages. So we're gonna go to 20. And yeah, left side, right side, both set. 10 degrees. Both good.
Yep.
Flaps up. All good. So flaps are checked. Heading indicator is showing 040. We'll set it on there. And avionics electrics. So this one, it's a little bit screwed up. It doesn't turn off completely, but we just killed the volume. But still works. Okay, so we're gonna set it. So we're gonna listen to the ATIS first. So it's 1245.
1245.
What information echo?
And then if we're not hearing anything, it might be this. So this should be set on the phone.
Okay.
So push it down.
Chart out runway 01, circling runway 25, landing.
Okay, 2995 is like middle here.
Yeah.
Set. And this pointing at 34. Okay, so we received the ATIS and altimeter setting is set. And we're gonna get the taxi clearance. So I'll do that for you today. Landing ground, this is Cessna 152, Foxtrot Golf Delta Echo at Hangar 5 with information Echo departing to Glendale.
Cessna 152, Foxtrot Golf Delta Echo, landing ground, runway 25, altimeter 29905. Taxi via Bravo, squawk 6770. Contact tower 119.0, holding short.
Squawk 6770, Golf Delta Echo. Okay, so 6. So we got the transponder code. It says set it on. So you can set 6770 on.
Would you like me to do it?
Yeah, sure.
76770.
And it says set standby. So put it on standby.
Standby, yeah.
Okay, landing light, taxi light on. Just keep it on. And brakes test. So it's a dual flight. We're gonna test on both. So I'll test it first.
Yeah.
Okay, you have control.
Thank you, Foxtrot Tango Tower.
So you can add some power.
Good flight.
And let's make it move. Good. Yeah, brakes working.
Okay.
So normally how I do is add it, then reduce it,
Yeah.
then brake. Okay, so today I'll do everything for you.
Okay.
Okay,
You
so
have control.
yeah, I have control. Clear right, clear left, turning left. So I didn't mention anything, but I did all the instrument checks. So like wing left, ball right. Did you learn that part?
Yeah.
The wing left, ball right, decreasing.
Uh-huh.
So did you do that in the previous school?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. Okay. Post-start checklist is completed. Taxi check, I did the instrument checks. Okay, now run up checklist. Aircraft is into the wind. And nose wheel is straight. Checking the brake. Brakes are on, I'm pushing it. Fuel shut-off valve is on. Mixture, rich. Low temperature and pressure, green. Area behind.
Clear.
Yeah, it's clear. And yeah, we can
Throttle.
close a window for this one. It's too noisy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And throttle 1,700 RPM.
It is 1,007.
Yeah, this one's 1,700. Normally it's 1,800, right? Yeah. Low temperature and pressure is green.
Have a good flight.
Suction gauge is here, is green. Ammeter full load check, so ammeter you load up the electric system. And putting 20 flaps, this is still charging, right?
Yes, it is.
And you can also do like turn on the lights, it's still charging. That's good. Ammeter check. Magneto check. Maximum drop should be 125, so go right. Sorry, a little bit.
36 Foxtrot India Tango Hotel, Langley Tower, good afternoon. Runway 25, altimeter 29905.
Go right.
Not below 1,500 till advised.
Drop like
Here's
50.
Downwind.
Back to both. Left.
And Langley Tower is small.
Drop like 75.
1,500 feet.
Back to both. So the difference between those two drops is less than 50.
Langley Tower, runway
Yep,
25,
that's good.
altimeter
Car beat.
29905.
So turn on the car beat. It's gonna
I'll
drop.
call the inbound turn
That's
for
good.
right base.
Yeah.
It's not rising back up. That means there's no icing that's melting.
Yeah.
Okay, turn it back off.
Air 1, Langley Tower.
Mixture check, so we're gonna check the mixture.
1,500 for the North Air North Echo, please.
So we're gonna see if the mixture control is working.
Cleared into the control zone, remains
Oh, look at
south
this.
of runway 25 and the
Yeah.
extended center line.
Starts to drop, right?
It's working.
So it's working.
Tower altitude restriction canceled, change
So
honors.
about 1, 2, 3 rotation.
Lima Tango Lima.
Goes back up.
Langley Tower, Bravo, Tango.
So car beat back on.
Short delay.
And
Tango Tower,
throttle
track,
idle.
short delay approved, not above 1,000 till advised.
Just running
Takeoff,
pretty
runway
well.
25.
And just still ready.
Above 1,000 till advised.
You remember I was talking about the alternate air source? Carbide working as an alternate air source.
Yeah.
So we're checking that. So it's working under the carbide. That's good.
Tango Quebec is at
Take carbide off and back to 1000 RPM. And you can open the window.
Runway 25, altimeter 2995, taxi
I know.
Bravo, squawk 7120.
Pre-takeoff checklist. Harness and doors. Everything secure.
Secure.
Yeah.
Mike Tango Vector Tower, clear
Baggage
white base,
is
runway
articles.
25.
Yeah. Baggage and roofs articles. Secure.
Neo Tango Hotel Tower, wide note to your left. And
Yeah, flight
start
controls,
clearing up
watch
a little bit.
yourself.
Number 2, you'll be following a mall and
Yeah, you can just stretch out.
highway joining a right base.
Okay. Just checking if anything's getting blocked. It's
Neo
getting
Tango Hotel
blocked.
Tower, additionally, traffic
Trim
is Cessna
is set for
departing runway
takeoff.
25. They'll be climbing to 1000
Flaps,
below
we're
you.
going to use 10 degree. Fuel shut-off valve is on. Fuel quantity is...
Yeah.
Sufficient. We know it was sufficient.
Yeah,
Traffic,
25.
you're following 10 to 11 o'clock, 3.5
It is not
miles,
all red.
joining right base.
It's like below, but we visually checked it. So that's good. Primer is in and locked.
172 departing runway
Mags
25.
are
Do you have that
on.
aircraft
Mags
in
are
sight?
on both. Carbide is off. 12 friction is
Airwork,
this one.
Roger, minimal delay
So
available.
just
There is a
control
traffic turn
which,
right base.
whichever
Oh,
works
we
better
have
for you.
land north apron, your discretion.
But this one, try to keep it tight. This one tries to go in a
Tango
little
Vector
bit.
Tower, make the base to final square.
Okay, flight instruments. This is 0.
Mike Tango
This is
Vector
on the
Tower,
line,
traffic is an EC
on the
120,
horizon.
about a mile and a half
We
to
set
the
this
southwest.
to
We'll be crossing
995.
runway 25 for the north
Wing
apron
level,
landing. So if you could
all
just wide
center.
out to your left for me, please.
Heading indicator 255.
Via Tango Hotel
Five.
Tower, traffic
And
12
this is
o'clock,
on 0.
2.5 miles right base.
The instruments are checked. Avionics. Tower, set the tower on standby. That's set. Then takeoff briefing. So we're gonna read this and follow it.
Bravo Papa Tango Tower.
So we're gonna take off
from left to right at a half
on
mile,
runway
and then down
25,
RD6
which is
at
gonna be this one.
1,500.
Okay.
And then our go or no-go decision point, where we're gonna make that decision, is slightly past. Do you see Foxtrot there? Do you
Yes,
see the
I
F
see.
with the arrow? You
Yeah.
see the one across it?
Yeah.
That's like hotel.
Oh,
So slightly past
Via
that,
Tango Hotel Tower, altitude restrictions.
that's gonna be our decision point.
Okay.
And if we're not airborne by that decision point, we're gonna reject the
Mike Tango Vector
takeoff.
Tower,
Okay.
expect your clearance
Because that
shortly.
means we might not be able to take off.
Cross runway 25 for
So
the
we're gonna
north
reject the
apron
takeoff by full idle
Roger, Mike
and
Tango
maximum braking with
now.
full
Mike
back
Vector Tower,
pressure.
Thanks for help.
If the engine fails below 1,000 feet, we're going to lower the nose to the best glide speed, which is 65 knots. Then find a suitable field and land. If the engine fails above 1,000 feet, we're going to turn around and land back on the airport or find a suitable field and land. Any question?
Mike Tango Vector.
Okay, pre-takeoff
Yeah,
checklist
so
complete.
slow.
Before entering runway, tower frequency, switch to tower, and then set the next frequency, and that's going to be 12272.
Okay.
And if you pull this small knob, it's going to change into 2
Tango Tower, change to on frequency up
yeah.
to flight.
and push it back in.
Thank you.
To choose.
And mixture rich,
Mike Tango Vector,
landing light
tower,
on.
track, exit, right
Pitot
on
heat
Foxtrot,
not
taxi
required.
outside your discretion,
Transponder
121.91
out.
Good day.
takeoff time,
Tracking to Foxtrot, Mike Tango.
it's
We're at Foxtrot,
16:29.
Flame the tower.
So we can add like 1 minute, 16:30. And then we're going to proceed to whole short line. So that's the whole short line there.
Julie Golf Tower, runway 25, altimeter 2995,
clear left,
taxi via Bravo,
clear right.
squawk 7127, contact tower 119.0, holding short.
Squawk 7127, one holding short. 20.
And we stop here. And we're going to contact ground,
India Tango
tower.
Golf Tower, go to land, runway 25.
Intel Golf Delta Echo holding short Bravo, ready for takeoff, request back turn shortly.
Golf Delta Echo Tower, backtrack runway 25 to line up and wait. Aircraft touching down, will be backtracking to exit Foxtrot.
Golf Delta Echo line up. Okay, so whenever we exit,
Quebec Tower, traffic, you're following now.
we give a little bit of space to ISO for another aircraft, and then we make a full stop here. Then we're gonna do our post-landing. Just clear flaps. Yeah, you can follow it.
CJ Golf has traffic in sight.
Delta Golf Tower, roger. Thanks. Number 2 to follow, and they will be on the full stop.
You can confirm if I did everything.
Julie Golf.
Delta Golf Tower, squawk ident.
landing ground, Golf Delta Echo, off Golf, request taxi to Hangar 5.
Golf Delta Echo ground taxi via Golf, hold short runway 19.
Okay, we can stop it here. 1, 3. Good. Then we always put it at 1,000.
Landing ground.
Okay, so let's do the shutdown checklist.
Delta Echo ground roger, thanks, you as well.
Go to 1000 p.m. Altitude 115.
So yeah, set it on there.
That one?
121.
I forget.
One more. Good.
One.
And then the
5.
12150. It means 50.
yeah.
Good. Then switch it.
Yeah. And
Switch it.
yeah, that
Good.
one.
And then, okay, it might be just, maybe there is something going on, but we might not be hearing it, right? Maybe you have a radio
Yeah.
issue. We want to test it. So if we pull this, try it. So that means the radio is working, but we're not hearing any on the emergency. So avionics off, off, off. So live mag check is go to off. Yeah. So we're checking if the engine is actually going to shut down properly. So when you do it, keep the key pushed in a little bit, going this, then off, on, try it. You can try it. So keep it pushed in a little bit. See? You know what I mean? So that's why you have to go slow a little bit. So don't go all the way to start. So that way the starter is going to pop out. So, off. Yeah. Good. So like that. So, yeah. Good. Push this. Yeah, so push it and then pull it. Oh, yeah. Push this. Pull it. Good. Stop.
Magnet has off, master switch off.
That was a lot.
Yeah, there was a lot. Oh.